Error code F95 on a Kenmore oven indicates a malfunctioning door lock assembly. This issue is commonly caused by faulty wiring or a defective door latch. To resolve the error, start by checking the wiring. Turn off the oven, pull it out to access the back, and use a screwdriver to remove the back panel. This will provide a clear view of the wiring from the door latch assembly to the control board. Inspect the wires for damage and reconnect any that appear loose. Also checking the wire harness for signs of damage or wear and tear. If the wiring is in poor condition, it must be replaced. Next, check the door latch by opening the oven door and pressing the light switch to simulate the door being closed. Then, unplug the power cord for 60 seconds. Press the light switch again, and wiggle the door latch to ensure it's not stuck. Repeating this process for 2 minutes before plugging the unit back in. If the error persists, the door latch is likely faulty and needs to be replaced.